Hi everyone, let's provide a solution to this problem here. Okay, this is equal to 400, right? Now, by the way, if I am to solve this in an examination, okay, I can be very fast about solving this. But for the fact that I want learners who may not have the idea of this to know how to solve it, I would like to show all the steps and then explain everything into details. Okay, so let's get started. 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x. We add this just like we add y plus y. Y plus y will give us 2y, right? So 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x should give us 4 to the power of x. So we can now separate it. Okay, so we can better call this 2 of 4 to the power of x. And this is equal to 400. So now the next target is to remove the 2 from here, and we do that by dividing both sides by it. So now we have 4 to the power of x to be equal to 200. Then the next step is, can the left hand side and the right hand side be in the same base? Okay, if the answer is yes, then it's easy for you. But if the answer is no, then it's not easy. Now let's look at 200 and see if it can exist in the base of 4. 4 can go into 200, right? Okay, 4 into 200 is going to give us 50. Okay, so that means 200 is 50 times 4. As simple as it is. So at this point, 50 and 4 again cannot go into 50. So what you will do now is to just take the log of both sides, as we have log 4 to the power of x to be equal to log 50 times 4. And then we'll now apply a couple of laws that have to do with logarithm. One of the laws says that the power can go behind to give us x log 4. And the other law says this is going to be log 50 plus log 4. Because if you are multiplying, you can have their separate logs and then you add the two numbers. Okay, you add the two logs. Now remember, we are trying to get the value of x, so we divide by log 4 and then divide the other side by log 4. This takes this out so that x is equal to log 4 plus, okay, I should have written log 50 first, right? But it does not matter, right? The one that comes first does not matter with addition. So I can write log 4 and then write plus log 50. And this is over 4, log 4. Now, the next point is that this log 4 here will be distributed, for the two numerators. So x is log 4 over log 4 plus log 50 over log 4. So what happens? Log 4 over log 4 is 1. So x is equal to 1, then plus we have log 50 divided by log 4. What do I do? My x from here is equal to 1 plus, we can now apply what we call change of base. Okay, because these two logs, they're having base 10, they are natural logarithm, so they should have the same base. We can now change the base from base 10 to base 4. Okay, so what we have here can become the base of 50. If this was 2, this is going to be log 50 to base 2. So now that it is 4, we have log 50 to base 4. And you can actually confirm this. Log 50 divided by log 4, is it the same thing to log 50 to base 4? You can do the confirmation and let us know at the comment section. Now, what do? Let's verify. Since we don't want to use decimal number here, the verification stage. Okay, so the verification stage has the verification process has begun. Now we have 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x equals 400. Now this is 4 to the power of 1 plus log 50 to base 4. Then I have the same thing again, 4 to the power of 1 plus log 50 to base 4. Okay, now let's continue. From here we have 4 to the power of 1 multiplied by 4 again to the power of log 50 to base 4. So what have I done over there? If you are to pick one of the bases, you're going to have 4, then you add the powers. And that's one of the laws of indices. Okay, if you're multiplying, pick one of the bases if they are the same, and then you add their powers. That's what I've done here. Then the same thing that I've done here should reflect here. So here now we have the same 4 to the power of 1 multiplied by 4 to the power of log 50 to base 4. Now, if we go ahead again, we discover that 4 to the power of 1 will come, which is 4. Then 4 to the power of 50, 4 to the power of log 50 to base 4. This and this are going to go 4 and 4. Okay, both of them are base, right? Okay, so they will nullify each other, so we'll have 50 over there. Then plus here again, 4 to the power of 1 is 4, then times the whole of this will give us 50. Now the next point, 4 times. Now do not add before you multiply. Multiply the 2 and then you can now add the results. 4 times 150 is 200 plus 4 times 50 again another 200, and this is equal to 400. So this means that we are very correct to say that x is equal to 1 plus log 50 to base 4. Thank you for watching. If you love this, say something at the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and then share to the students around you.